we are here at Eselbank. Oh wow, look at that wonderful waterfall.
these rock formations is something to see. Isn't it?
Through Cederberg formations.
I hope it's quiet.
I thought you said you're doing it with momentum. You were very slow.
What is this? Civiarchis.
Little 7 years. Look at that little dam there.
Yeah, you want to go for a swim?
No,
Right?
I don't think so. Not in this cold. There is rooibos tea. Red bush tea. Stop.
Is that really?
Just stop. Not 20 meters on. I said stop. Then it means stop.
But you also don't listen
Yeah,
to
but
me.
I see now you also not. So.
You listen to me deliberately, not.
Okay, so quiet. Just so sort. Okay. What will happen if a car comes from the front? Who has to give way?
I think the descending one has to give way.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Cederberg Pass.
Cederberg.
Is that the one?
After
Yes.
Wupperthal.
Cederberg.
Cederberg.
Yes,
Okay,
Cederberg, because Cederberg is the one that when you go before you turn into Bido Valley, I think. No, Kraaiberg is the other side of Wupperthal. When you come down, you see the flowers.
I see the light in your heart. It might as well be the sun. You shine on everyone. You're easy to love. You're easy to love. Everyone feels warm around you because you're easy to love. You're easy to love. If you were ice cream, I'd scoop you up. And that's all because you're easy to love. You care about people, at times even more than yourself. When someone's in need, then you help, but you don't make a big deal. Your thread and your needle, you stitch up a lot of torn hearts, and you leave them better by far, because kindness heals. How's it that you're real? You're easy to love. You're easy to love. Everyone feels warm.
Here we're going, isn't it? It's like, what is that? Big Dippers, isn't it? Same
Dippers,
feeling. Where you
yes.
go
Up, down, up, down.
up, down. Here you're going down now. You make ready for that big dip. Eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Now be careful.
Make
Oh,
sure, okay. Let me put
you
it
go
in
to right.
second. Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Are you in the right gear?
I think so. Look how beautiful Wupperthal is down there. Eh?
Yeah, this is the stretch. Can you remember where there were guys in the road
Yes.
and you actually had to swerve away from them?
This is absolutely the right time of the day to see Wupperthal from Eselbank side
Sure.
going
Yes.
down, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that pass is very steep. Can you believe it? It's so steep. It looks funny over that mountain.
Yes,
Can you do 4x4 on
yeah.
this?
Yeah.
What can you not do on this? On the
Yeah,
cement?
diff lock if you go.
Oh, not the front.
Goed. Ja, here's some turning points here. So,
A little bit more to the right,
beautiful,
Philip.
eh?
Yeah, it's very
Look at
steep
the flowers
down
on
here.
the left.
Yeah, no.
Let me-
I can see.
So you can appreciate the beautiful view on the left.
I can. Just go straight, please.
Don't you want to take a video?
No.
Sure, look there.
I think it was around here that there, just on that spot right to the right.
Yeah,
Yeah, just be careful.
I don't see any vehicles coming up. Fortunately, it's
Quiet.
yeah, it's in a week. Everybody is at work.
I think that's the reason.
Yeah.
And there at the corner is where a couple of years ago we saw people having a Sunday picnic when we were driving across towards Eselbank.
Yeah, I think the locals, that's a
Picnic
hang
spot.
out.
Yeah, hang out. Yeah.
Look how beautiful that, what you call that, layers.
Layers of mountain over millions of years.
It's beautiful. see how steep
Just
it
wait.
is down
Wait, what I want to do is, I don't know.
on camera.
No, you
Normally
cannot.
you,
Come on, come on. There you are. Video. And I want to do that. Okay, just drive. Get a little bit of the yellow flowers here at the bottom, which is so nice. Hmm?
okay, look at that river down there. What is it? Tra.
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 Mm.
Tra river. It's a beautiful pause, eh?
I'm watching the road because you are looking down.
Shoot.
Just go. Yes.
What? Let's go, wait.
No, drive before somebody else comes on this.
I don't see anybody.
Yeah, but you don't know around the corner.
Oh, here they are.
Okay,
Fortunately,
we've got a. Okay.
okay.
You
It's the
see
first
that?
time this happens.
Okay, go.
happens,
Oh my
okay.
goodness, they don't really. But look at what side they stop, hey? They want you to go the difficult side. They should not do that, huh? Isn't it?
No, I don't know.
That's not the right space. Now you go down the.
Okay, zet gou. Maak gou jou venster af.
Hy is af. Stadig.
Afval is dit julle.
Nee, julle moet hierdie kant gee, dit julle bank.
Julle was uit daai kant.
Ja,
Sê my, waar kom julle nou vandaan?
Kromrivier.
Kromrivier was ons twee ander
Ja.
geslaap, ja.
Dis nou Kromrivier is nou.
Is Eselbank en dan Kromrivier. Ja.
Waar gaan
Daar's
julle
jy
heen?
vir hulle sê van daai water daar na Eselbank.
Ja, daar's
daar-
nogal 'n diep een.
Die
daar.
laaste ene op. Ja, hy's Goat.
and boek.
Bokkie en bok.
It was an eventful trip thus far. We are now heading towards the Video Valley, which is traditionally one of the best places to view a variety of flowers. Although not the ideal weather, we are looking forward to what the next couple of days will bring.